Okay, I'm Dean Range. I haven't fired this rifle in a while. It was in for repairs at the gunsmith, and I received it June last year back from the gunsmith. Although I did upload some videos of my hunt with this rifle in Tabazimbi, July 2024. So at that time, during the hunt, I didn't use my own hand loads. I bought Norma Oryxes in caliber 30-06, and I hunted with them. These are very good hunting bullets. However, I've made up some hand loads, which I said I didn't use during my hunt, and these are the 165 SST by Hornady. The brass I'm using here is Lapua brass, as you can see, nicely annealed here. And what I'm curious about is the velocity of these bullets. I can't remember my load, but the velocity will give us a good indication regarding their performance, and also how they group on paper at 100 meters. Okay, so let's dive into it and see what the velocity of these bullets are. Just get rid of my dummy rounds. I have 2 dummy rounds, actually 3, one for the rifle barrel and 2 for the shotgun barrels. And the reason why I use these snap caps is every time you close the rifle, it's now set on to fire. You can fire it now, and it's not I'm very uncomfortable with taking a rifle that's engaged and put that in the safe. So what I do is I put in these snap caps, and then when I close it, I just pull the trigger, and off to the races we go. And then you can store your rifle with confidence. Okay, so let's go for it. The first one. Okay, I'm gonna fire another one, because this rifle's barrel, especially the rifle barrel, as you can see, it's thin, but this is special Krupp barrel steel, so it heats up quite quickly, and then it also cools down fairly quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna fire another one, see what the speed is, the velocity. 2721. Two 693.